Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Gpeasy CMS on Debian version 11.3. A content management system is a software that manages digital content. Gpeasy CMS is a free open source flat CMS developed in PHP and it does not need to a database. First I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. The Gpeasy installed before you have installed for the Apache web server. I have already installed for the Apache web server. So now I am check the Apache web server status using systemctl command. The Apache web server can be active state. Next I will download the Gpeasy CMS. Next I will download the Gpeasy CMS by following commands. Next extract the download file. Next now I am move to the extract file to the Apache home directory. Next change the ownership to the Gpeasy directory. Next grant the permission for the Gpeasy directory. Next now I am going to create the virtual host for the Gpeasy CMS. You have entered the virtual host server name and the document root directory. Then save and exit. Next make the host entry for the Gpeasy CMS. Enter the IP address and the server name. Now disable the default virtual host file for the Apache. Next enable the virtual host. Next enable the read write module for the Apache. Now restart the Apache web server using systemctl command. Then go to the browser and ping the server name. This is the configuration page of the Gpeasy CMS. Enter the email address. enter the admin username, enter the admin password, then go to view your website. This is the dashboard page of the Gpeasy CMS. By this, the installation of the Gpeasy CMS on Debian version 11.3 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.